We're hanging with this.
We're waiting for the sound guys to get their shit together so we can work.
God damn it. It's clever, he came back in, snuck in the window.
He wants some, dude.
Hi, I'm Chris. Didn't see you there. I play a bit of bass, bit of guitar, play for the Black Hat Bones and Boargazm, and I do a bit of sound. So now, approaching this game sound, Jengo, actually travelling back to my old days when we did adventure games when stuff meant stuff, you know? Nowadays it's just upgrades and gems and all kinds of stupid things. You can win a game with a credit card. But no, it's time to go back. Time to think. Time to play the game.
Hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Steph, and I'm providing the musical talent on the game Jengo.
So you're sort of playing a dazed and confused Zeppelin kind of bass line, which is cool. And you're just sort of trailing around, which is nice.
I'm liking the sound now. It's actually quite nice.
So you got a bit of a runny bass and you're a bit more sporadic, erratic, spaced out.
Stuff that I've done tonight is I've recorded a lot of guitar and bass that is going to be used in the game in different areas of the game. We've provided a lot of different ambient sounds for your pleasure. Background music, which is going to be highly entertaining.
Hi, this is the first time we're discussing this, and we didn't discuss it before we were recording, we swear.
Dude,
Where did this come from?
Oh no, it's that we hadn't made it.
So someone planned it out already.
Alright, well, now we're going to pretend the camera's up there and discuss what we need to do.
okay, so we've done the main bar thing. We need to do the creepy office and bathroom thing.
Yeah, so bar main is that happy, upbeat saloon thing, which is done.
In this song, we're gonna do stuff to kind of keep the player fresh and keep him thinking. And
So what we have is basic melodies and rhythms for each of the sections in the game. And what we're going to do is change the key that we play in, so that every time you re-enter the space, it's not going to be the same old thing. It's going to sound the same, it's going to feel the same, you're going to have the same experience.
So it's variation.
Which
is cool, because it'll change your train of thought. You know? Every time you get to the same thing, it'll give you a different perspective, then maybe a refreshed train of thought.
Absolutely.
Dude, that sounds sick. Like,
It also sounds like it's in
Lo-fi.
it's super lo-fi 50s, like
It's that.
rough, and I can actually feel the texture.
Like,